So we've seen all the prairie plants that I grew from seed, and now we're going to look at how you grow those from seed. I start mine in a 3-inch pot. My seed planting tool is the center of a paper plate cut out into a circle and folded on one side. Fill the pot with potting mix, and then you just tap the side of the paper plate and sprinkle them in. They need a little bit of soil on top usually. Firm it down, water it, and you're ready to go. If you have to put it in the refrigerator for cold treatment, then put a plastic bag over it, and write on the outside of the plastic bag how long it has to be in the refrigerator. There's a lot of seeds you can get from different companies. They're from $3 to $5 a package, so that allows you a little experimenting. So we put the seeds under the light or in the refrigerator, then take them out and put them under the light, and now it's time to transplant them. So I dump the seedlings out into my cupped hand, and then I set them down on the paper plate, and I tease them apart with forks or these tools that I have here. Then we tease one plant out, we make a hole, we use a stream of water to get the roots down into the hole, maybe add a little extra soil, tamp it down, give it another spray, let it sit out of the light for 24 hours, and then it's time to go under the lights. They'll grow for about a week, and then you'll be able to take them outside. I've designed a minimalistic light setup here for 4 nursery trays. This is all stuff you could get off the shelf here locally. I've got 2 plastic folding sawhorses, a 4-foot by 2-foot sheet of melamine, some rigid bead styrofoam that I cut up with a bread knife and glued down with hot glue, and 2 shop lights from the big box store. And you need the seeds or seedlings as close to the light as you can get. You're only going to have them under there for a while, and then they'll be ready to move. To cold treat your seeds, you can either put them in a little pot inside of a plastic bag, you can put them in a coffee filter folded up inside of a plastic bag, or you can put them in a little sample of potting soil mixed in with seeds in a plastic bag. Mark the date and how long they need to stay in there and take them out, and then plant them in a pot the way you regularly would.